Hello, dear children. Today, I will tell you about something that may seem complicated, but actually makes life much easier for programmers, and that is the Git system. It is like a notebook that keeps track of all the changes in a project, allowing you to go back to earlier versions if something goes wrong. I will show you how the little animals in the park learn to use Git to work better together and avoid problems in their projects. By the pond, I noticed a little rat and a sparrow discussing how they share tasks in their new project. The little rat admitted that sometimes he saves changes, but he does not always remember what he changed. The sparrow laughed, saying he could just save everything in one file because that is the easiest way. However, both had trouble remembering what was done before. I explained to them that Git works like a box of records. Each change is a new entry that can be easily found. The little rat quickly understood and said that this could solve many problems they had with their project. At the playground, I met a parakeet and a guinea pig. The parakeet was talking about how often she works on projects and forgets to synchronize her changes with others. The guinea pig admitted that sometimes she creates new versions of the project, but names like Project Final version 2 become too complicated. I emphasized that Git allows you to create branches, which are like separate paths in a project, and these can later be merged if everything works correctly. Both were amazed at how this makes work easier and decided to try using it in their tasks. Under a tree, I spoke with a little bee and a puppy who had the task of explaining why Git is important in teamwork. The little bee stated that it allows everyone to work on their part of the project, and then everything comes together as a whole. The puppy added that it is helpful when someone accidentally deletes something important, because you can go back to the previous version. Both of these observations were spot on and showed how Git helps with organization and problem solving. Git is a tool that teaches us order, collaboration, and accuracy. I hope that thanks to our little animals, you have a better understanding of how it works. Always remember that even in difficult situations, you can go back to an earlier version and try again. See you in the next episode.